In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install or download Antigravity Agent on your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get Antigravity app, you just need to go ahead and search for Antigravity like this. And if you search, you'll be taken to this Google Antigravity website. You're told this is one of the best apps for professional developers working in a large enterprise database. To get this agent, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see the website is antigravity.google. Now, once you are here, to get one for your Windows computer, go ahead and click on download for Windows, or you can also see the option to download on top here. So by clicking on any of this, you will be taken to Antigravity download page. Here you have to choose your specific file that you wish to download. You have here for macOS and Windows computers here. So I'm going to download for Windows, and as you can see, we have two options for Windows, and one is for 64-bit operating system and the other one is for ARM64. So go ahead and choose one that mostly applies to your computer. In most cases, the first one should work. We have two computer systems, 64 and 32, and as you can see, the one available is for 64 bits. Now this will go ahead and comment the download process, and within no time the download has been completed. Go ahead and tap on the file to open it. And to install it on your computer, go ahead and double click on it or right click on it to install. Here, go ahead and read through the terms and conditions, and then you have here to accept the agreement by selecting the first choice and then click on next. If you wish to change the location for this program, you can change it from here. Otherwise, just go ahead and click on next. Decide whether you want to create a start menu folder, or if you don't want, leave it blank to create a start menu folder, and then click on next. And then here on additional icon settings, check create a desktop icon if you want a shortcut for this app on your desktop. And finally, tap on install. This will go ahead and prepare the setup for installation. Be patient as the setup prepares for installation. Now, within no time, the installation will begin, and this is a fast process, and within no time, the installation will be done, and finally it is complete here. So go ahead and click on finish, and if you click on finish, it will automatically launch the app, or if you don't want to launch straight away, just go ahead and uncheck this and then click on finish. Now you can see we have Antigravity icon on the desktop. To launch it, just double click on it or right click on it and choose open. And should you experience any security alert from your Windows computer, just go ahead and click on allow access, and this will go ahead and launch Antigravity. From here, now you can complete the setup by customizing it the way you wish before you can launch it. Go ahead and sign in using your Google account, then agree to Antigravity terms of usage here, and then finish by clicking on next. So that's how you can install Antigravity on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.